Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the Android apps of the month of August. As some of you guys already know, the past month it was July. We checked it out, it was really amazing, but right now we're having the August month and we're going to be unpacking this kind of application throughout the month of August, and we check them out and see what's back, what's new. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video of today. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So our first Android app of the list is called Edits by Meitu, which is really nice. So first thing first, you're having this kind of creative kind of section which is called stickies. We're having reels, audio, collections, and on this tab you're having your inspiration throughout your kind of videos or kind of reels you want, which is really nice. On the other section, it's all about projects. We're going to talk about it, and this side it's all about recording. So let's say you're recording right now. As you can spot it, you can use the camera built in throughout this kind of application of edits. On this tab, it's your metrics or your insights, which is really amazing, and it gives you all the insights you need depending on you what you're really focused on throughout your posts and your reels. So it's really amazing. Now jumping through all this kind of side which is called projects. Now you just start through the gallery, you pick the project you want. Let's say it's this one, and I'm gonna check on here, and it's gonna give me this kind of tab whereby there's a timeline, there's a text, there's adjustable, and many more, as you can spot it here on the timeline. So on this side you can add captions if you want, you can add voice, you can add text, depending on you what you really need throughout your video editing. So you can export depending on the quality you prefer. Maybe it's 2K, 4K, or you prefer frame rates of 60 frame rates per second, depending on you. It's such an amazing application from Meitu, and this is called Edits. Our second app of the list is called Backdrops. Backdrops is such an amazing kind of application for your wallpapers, and it has kind of newer Material 3 kind of design, and it's really amazing. You just pick the wallpaper you prefer, let's say something like this, and you tap on set, and it will just download over there, and when you're done just tap on home screen and your wallpaper is directly set, just like that. Such an amazing kind of application, and it has bunch of wallpapers, and you can go throughout collections here and you can pick what suits you best. Let's say you're having something like earth, you can check it out. Different kind of pixel, even the pixel 1 kind of wallpapers you can find out here, which is really amazing. You just tap on apply and you're good to go, and your wallpaper will be there on the go. Such an amazing kind of app, to be honest, and I really kind of like it, the way they made it, the way it's just set up. It's really amazing. Our second app of the list is called Voice Recorder. Now this application comes really in handy, and it has that kind of older kind of recorder kind of vibe. Now you just start by recording, like there I'm speaking right now and it's actually recording, and when I'm done speaking I can just stop the app and play. Like there I'm speaking right now and it's actually recording, and when I'm done speaking I can just, you see, it's really amazing. And when you tap on reset, it will change entirely the cover throughout here. So whenever you open this application, it comes with the new design throughout it, which gives it a really good feel throughout using this application. Jumping throughout our fourth app is called Multi.Dev. Now if you prefer those kind of videos whereby it shows you that you went here, you went there, just tap on preview. First of all, it will render for you throughout where you prefer. But before we render, these are your cities you select. So let's say I'm selecting another city like a Chinatown, and I can just select Chinatown, or I can select something like Dubai. So what it will start from me from Arusha, Dodoma, United States, Chinatown, and we can delete this Chinatown. We just need single Chinatown, by the way, and keep it Dubai over there, and you delete this one so as it can't replicate. And when you're done throughout selecting which series you prefer, you just tap on preview, and you can even export it directly here when it's done. So guys, as you can spot it, the render is done, and it shows us where we are throughout the location we selected. Let's say you went to Dubai and it will jump through Tanzania, so it will go to Tanzania, Dodoma there, and it would jump all the way to United States, through all those kind of points you made, and it just do that. And when you want to export, you can just export it over there, and you select this kind of quality. But if you prefer like 1920, the more higher quality you want, you have just to pay for the subscription. But I think for this kind of quality is actually not bad. For demonstration, it's actually good. So when you're done, just select download, and your video will be downloaded over there. As you can spot it right now, it's downloading. Fifth application is called Shot Designer. Now Shot Designer is such an amazing kind of Hollywood kind of plan throughout your video, not only for the Hollywood, but you can even check it out yourself. Now, first thing first, you're having this kind of set. We can delete this set, or you can insert a new set. Now, let's say you're having, you're new here, you can add a character if you want, and you can say, this is my character. Where do you want to place the character here? You can rotate the character. So this, it visualizes yourself before you're going for a set of shooting, and it gives you all those kind of things you need. So as whenever you share with someone who would like for shooting your videos, or you're shooting your set, you can know where you can plan throughout your set, and it makes things really amazing. So it's just a worth it application to check it out. I understand for the enthusiasts, this kind of app might be saying, okay, what's happening, but it's a really nice app for planning. Our sixth application is called Mojo. Now Mojo, it's a really nice application. First thing first, it's packed with bunch of features, especially when it comes to reels, editing, you name it. It has even auto subtitles. Now I'm gonna select like my video, this one here, and I can say continue, and it will just have its own kind of subtitles adding for me without me doing anything. It's just made for me the captions, and I can even use the emoji if I want, like this one, and through there I can say just done, and you can see it just shows you what's happening. So it translates for you everything you want. So it's really nice to just give it some differentiation throughout your video, and to enhance much throughout what your main key or main aspect. So it's so much worth it to check it out. It's such an amazing, it has bunch of stuff. If you prefer reels, it just go through the reels, you get the idea, you use the template you want, you just feed it with the context you have, and you're good to go. Our seventh application is called Meitu. Meitu is such an amazing kind of app, same as Mojo, but a little bit, this is to photography. Now let's say you're having your pictures in here, and selecting your pictures, just go to images here, and you just go to gallery direct and select the image you want. Let's say I've selected this type of image, and as you can spot me there through the image, I can select the filters I want, and it just gives me those kind of filter I would like to just use throughout my image. Something like this, not bad. I can preview adding some features. I can even adjust the brightness I want, and adjust the contrast and stuff like that. I can even add some lightning through the image, and even the ambient if I want. It's such an amazing kind of app to check it out. It's packed with bunch of features, not only these ones, but you can spot it. There is something like shadow, you can add some shadow over there. It's just giving you much better creativity throughout your own kind of self. You can see there it has an AI art kind of style, which is really great. Not only that, the app is packed with bunch of features throughout, depending on what you really need throughout the application, to just get some inspiration and use these kind of templates you prefer throughout your images, which is really nice to check it out. So this game is called Fruit Ninja. It's such an amazing kind of classic game, and I thought that it's perfect to just share with you guys, because playing this kind of game, it gives you some amazing kind of memories, whereby I remember way back playing this game. It was really nice. Only thing you need to do is to slice this kind of fruits, and as you can spot it, just like that, and you get some score. And when you slice these bombs, you know what it will happen. So you just have to, you know, be careful whenever things are thrown throughout slashing the fruits, and you know what I mean, you become the Sifu. Is it Sifu throughout, you know, Just have to slice. Wee. So guys, these are the Android apps of the month of August. Let me know which is your favorite kind of application throughout August applications of Android. These are really amazing. Like, I like edits, it's make your workflow become so easier. I like the way backdrops it is. It gives you some amazing kind of wallpaper. Even the wallpaper you see here at the background throughout my setup, I made it throughout backdrops. I just took all of them three. I used Photoshop, I combined them three, and it gave me some amazing kind of background throughout there. Though it does not offer you the size of desktop throughout the wallpaper, but with your creativity, you might be grabbing some wallpapers and save them and play with Photoshop or play with software of your choice, and you make something amazing. Throughout here, I like the voice recorder too. It's such an amazing. So those are the kind of top application which I like them throughout the month of August from my perspective. You let me know which application captured you mostly, so as we can wrap these things around. So thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subbing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next Android apps of coming month. So thank you guys for watching. Up to the next one, and peace.